Hi my little one. In this video we will talk about the letter U and the sound of U is A. A. Now let's see the things related to A sound. A. Up. A. Under. Now the monkey is up on the tree and the dog is up under the tree. Up, under. Umbrella. We use umbrella on a sunny day and on a rainy day. Urn. Urn is a vase with a lid. So you can store anything in urn. Like you must have seen your grandmothers storing pickles. So this is a urn. Undergarments. The garments which we wear under our clothes. Undergarments. Now let's see how to write the uppercase letter U and the lowercase letter U in cursive. Look, this is the print font of U and this is the cursive font of U. They all are U and the sound is A. A. Now with the help of this, we will write the uppercase in cursive. From here, from the first blue line, go up in a curve, come down like this, go up and come down on the same line and up. This is the uppercase letter U. A. Now we will just speak the sound and write. From here go up. A. 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 Now for the lowercase letter U, again we will be writing in the same way but only in between two blue lines. From here, from the lower blue line, go up till the first blue line and then come down and up. This is A. U. A. A. A.